Good morning, students. Today we will continue with 14th chapter of GK of 5th class. It is video number 6. 14th chapter, Natural Wonders of the World. There are many such sites on the earth that have been considered for inclusion in the list of 7 natural wonders of the world. Let's know about some of them. First one, this is the highest mountain in the world. This highest point is located in the Himalayas at a height of 8,848 meter in the country of Nepal. So underline height of this mountain, name of the country in which it is located. So name of the mountain is Mount Everest. This is the world largest coral reef system. It is composed of billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. Underline coral polyps. It is located in Coral Sea. Underline Coral Sea of the coast of Queensland, Australia. Underline Queensland, Australia. Name of this natural wonder, the Great Barrier Reef. This is a stone forest, a collection of limestone formations extended over a surface of 500,000 square kilometer. So underline 500,000 square kilometer. The stone appear in various shapes ranging from pinnacle, column, mushroom and pagoda shaped. Some of them are of 30 meters tall. They are located in Kunming, the capital of Yunnan state of China. Name of this natural wonder is Shelling Stone Forest. It is a very big valley of the Arizona state of USA. Underline Arizona state of USA. It is more than 446 km long and 29 km wide. It is formed by the river Colorado that has been eroding it since the last 17 million years. Underline eroding last 17 million years. Eroding means when upper layer of the soil get eroded or removed by the fast flowing water. That is known as erosion. Same way, water takes away the upper layers from the sides of this valley, due to which it get eroded. These are the glowing sheets of light in the sky. They are also called as dancing waves and northern lights. Underline dancing waves and northern lights. These lights make impressive display in the sky. These can be seen near magnetic pole, which is near the Arctic island of Canada. Underline Arctic island of Canada, and name of the place is Aurora Borealis. This is the youngest volcano in Mexico. What is volcano? When lava coming out from the weak spot of the earth and melted rocks and metals come out with the lava. It is started as a fisher in the cornfield of farmer in 1943. Underline the year. The farmer and his family witnessed an eruption of ash and stones. Frequent eruption in the first year buried the surrounding villages in lava and ash. It last erupted in 1952. And name of this volcano or wonder of the world is Paricutin. About this place you are very familiar. It is the second largest city of Brazil. It's a harbour surrounded by mountains and other beautiful formations. World famous. It is called Guanabara Bay. Name of the wonder of world, harbour of Rio de Janeiro. Note down some question for practice from natural wonder of the world. Name the various shapes of the stones in Shellingstone forest. Second, what are coral polyps? Third, name the river which formed the Grand Canyon. Fourth, where we can see dancing wares and northern light. Fifth, name the second largest city of Brazil. Quiz 1, page number 52. Madhubani painting is associated with which state? Bihar, Haryana or Odisha? Name of the state? Bihar. Which city is called Pink City? Udaipur, Jaipur, Lucknow? Correct answer is Jaipur. Marina Beach is in Mumbai, Kolkata or Chennai? Correct answer is Chennai. Fourth, the capital of Germany is Berlin, Bern and Kabul. Correct answer is Berlin. You can write your daily activities in it dash. Notebook, money book, diary. Correct answer is diary. Sixth, a book which gives you telephone number. Directory, atlas, diary. Correct answer is directory. 7 dash is currency of Japan. Yen, yuan, rupee. Correct answer is yen. B part. What is the term of food prepared by plants? Answer, photosynthesis. Which is the first Indian military satellite? Which is the first Indian military satellite? Answer is GS-87. GS-87. This is the first Indian military satellite launched by India on August 30, 2013. Third, where is Namdhapa Sanctuary? Arunachal Pradesh. Fourth, who is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Here is Charles Babbage. It is famous English rock band, The Beatles. Sixth, film Iqbal is associated with which game? Answer is cricket. Seventh, he is known as Black Pearl. Name of the person? Pillai. He is Black Pearl Pillai. A person who treats mental disorder. Doctors these are psychiatrist. Students, we have completed 3 units of first term. Interesting India, Around the World, Natural Environment, 14th chapter with the quiz number 1 on page number 52. You have to revise all the chapters. In next video, I will give you revision test on the basis of these chapters. So revise this. That test you have to give honestly. Thank you.